Finding the right trading platform can often be complicated and expensive, but SwissApexAI are definitely changing the game here because they do have a lot of fantastic features and they are powered by AI itself. Now, this is financial advice, but let's dive into this platform. So this is SwissApex, and honestly guys, from my experience, this is one of the best trading platforms out there. Normally when you're trading, you're going to have to switch between different platforms, MetaTrader, TradingView, etc. And it can be an absolute nightmare, particularly if you're a beginner trader. But SwissApex have everything at your fingertips, whether it's data, whether it is actual trading tools, or just buying and selling assets generally. So these guys offer a range of different things, and I will just say super easy to navigate on their site as well. You can see, we can just go through and see everything that we need to look at. So here we can see all of the different assets that you can trade. We've got forex, indices, crypto, stocks, commodities, etc. And if we scroll down here, we can see that yes, they do have Bitcoin available here as well to buy, which I think is fantastic. And if we check this section, we can actually see all of the data as well as a technical rating, whether to buy and sell all of these different assets. So I think this is fantastic for the analytical mind. So you can really just see, hey, how much has something gone up and down? Is this something bullish or bearish? And what are the high and low levels for that day for that particular asset? I really do like this layout. And if we scroll up here, guys, we can see this is what the trading platform looks like. Now, if we go to this section here, this is the SwissApex platform section. And as you can see, it says they have the best crypto and forex broker, best platform for margin trading, which is trading with a leverage, and the best crypto trading platform as well here. And I really love the intuitive design of this platform where it's super easy to just pick your assets on the left-hand side. You can also see all of your open trades here at the bottom. And in the middle, of course, this is where you get access to all of your trading tools, whether you're doing TA, whether you are plotting in supports and resistances, or whether you are adding indicators on the top there. This is really, really cool. I do love the fact that on the right-hand side, you have social trading as well, in which you can follow other traders. So yes, if they make money, you can make money by following their trades. This is very good for not only beginner traders, but advanced traders looking to analyze some of their competitors or just some of their colleagues. And of course, in the middle, we can see there is the sell and the buy buttons. Super easy. All you do is just put your amount in and you are good to go there. So really intuitive, very easy. And they do have a bunch of innovative tools to basically get this platform to be the top dog out of trading platforms out there. Now, normally with trading platforms, you have to download them, but as you can see, SwissApex was designed with convenience as a top priority. So what they do is they have this WebTrader where you can access it directly in your browser, in which, yes, you just go in and you start trading. So no downloads, no installs, and yes, no extra learning curves when going between tabs and different platforms. Now, these guys have real-time analytics for you to basically get a grip on what's going on with the markets. They have advanced security protocols so you know your money is safe, and they have a seamless trading experience because it's all powered by AI. So these guys technologically are right at the top of the pile, and they definitely show that with their intuitive platform. But what about accounts here? Well, these guys have accounts whether you are a beginner trader, an intermediate trader, or a professional trader yourself. You can see the basic account will be more for beginner traders. You've got tight spreads, you've got the financial instruments, and you have access to over 300 different assets. That's fantastic, only $250. Now, if we want to go up to bronze here, it's $5,000, but you also get that 10x leverage here to accompany that. Really, really cool. And you also get 800 different assets that you can trade there as well. If we go to silver, you can see that all increases. You've got 50 leverage, 1,000 assets. Gold, we can see that yes, 1,300 assets and even 100 leverage to accompany it. That's 50K. And the highest tier here, if you're a professional trader, it's only 100K. You're going to get 200x leverage and you're going to get access to that 1,500 assets as well here. So great stuff with the accounts. You can also actually deposit here with crypto, which I know a lot of people like to do. So it's good that they are catering to that audience. Now, signing up for this is super easy. All you got to do is press the link in the description, guys. fill out the form. Super easy, as you can see, just first and last name, phone, email, password, the standard stuff here. And then, of course, you press sign up and you are good to go. Now, when it comes to account management, these guys definitely get ahead of the crowd because they offer lots of different features to manage your account and manage your positions. So that is fantastic. As well as that, they have a news section in which, yes, you can get trading support on your different assets that you like. So that could cover different economic events that are happening that might affect the asset. And yeah, just keep you up to date on all of the news surrounding what you're trading. And this is fantastic all to have on one platform without having to switch between news sites. And from my experience, guys, these guys really do go customer first. If I have any problems and I message their team, then their support team actually help me in a matter of minutes, which is more than I can say for other brokers. And honestly, guys, a couple messages and I'm back on the reins. And I really do like trading with this platform because they really do put the user first before themselves. So when it comes to efficiency, speed, and innovation, these guys are definitely at the top. Overall, really loving this platform so far, and you can see they have assets for every type of trader. So if you prefer to trade crypto, you can do that here. If you like forex or you like stocks, you can do that here as well very, very easily. These guys basically have everything, including commodities as well. So this is really, really good when it comes to diversifying your portfolio. You don't have to go to different brokers or platforms just to find the right asset. Everything is at your fingertips here. Everything is accessible. And I do love that efficiency. It allows me to diversify all on one platform without having to go between multiple tabs, multiple platforms, just to keep my portfolio balanced. But that is SwissApex. Definitely check them out in the description, guys. Would highly recommend them. But that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.